Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds. In this InDesign tutorial, we will be sharing with you how you can do a word count within InDesign to find out how many words are contained within a document. Let's start by heading over to Window and selecting Info. We then want to select the Type tool and just do a selection on some text where we want to apply the word count to. It will then give you a breakdown of how many characters, words and lines and paragraphs are contained within that selection that we've just made. It's as simple as that. Find out how many characters, words, lines and paragraphs are contained within your InDesign document. It's a very useful technique which you can use time and time again in future InDesign projects. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for further quick tips on how to use InDesign.